If not that, I was injured. Who is here now? Who is in Didi now? Who is your Nazi? These are my boys in the team.
What year was this?
The last World Cup now.
What year?
I said the last World Cup.
What year now? Tell me the year.
We were in camp.
See, forget this thing, Jack.
Yes, and I'm also a very good barber. I can barber you.
No, she said she wants to make her hair, not to
barb. I also know how to shave in case you want to shave.
When now?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Do you want to paint or fix? Painting. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you like the AC on or off.
She's fine with it.
You're fine with it,
right? So. What if, I don't know the kind of songs you're into. Is it blues, R&B, hip hop, or Afrobeat? You sure you don't like R&B?
So, what do we offer you?
She's okay, she's okay.
Okay, fine. Can I have your number? So that.
What is your problem now?
Okay, it's okay now.
I'm not hearing.
I don't know if you're on Instagram. My handle is steady_Baba. I'm thinking your handle.
Steady.
Okay, it's fine. What is your email? I'll send you a mail.
Don't listen to him, don't just bother listening to
him. Email?
No, he don't.
Okay, fine. Do you like the temperature in the salon?
She's not complaining about she's not complaining about the
temperature. It's too hot for her now.
I'm not always this loud.
Temperature. I'm a footballer. I sing and I also act movies. But all the films I acted, none have come out. So,
yes, I'll be back.
Okay. You see, so really, my name is Teddy. Yeah, I'm talented. I play football, I sing, I'm a great actor at the same time.
He's a baba.
Yeah, and you know, there's so much to me. What?
I want to cut my hair.
We are closed. We are on break.
Okay, so when am I coming back?
That what?
I see.
My friend, go. I said we are on break. Come back next week.
Next week?
Come next week. My friend. Sorry for my football career. I want to try out.
Excuse me. Sorry, are you a Motola?
She's not, but they look alike.
I swear.
Do you know that? In my music, I have two singles. But I've dropped one. But that one has not blown. The other one will blow very soon. Should I sing you my song?
Excuse me.
Talk.
My name is Dan, aka Danny Bobo. Dan for short.
He's a man that does hair man. You know, once a man wants to use less, he start to do woman hair. That's their career. But me, so, do you know, even in acting, I've done movies. Do you know Genevieve?
Hey.
It's on my case.
Guess
what? I dumped her.
How can you believe that? Just imagine.
You understand me?
You are sitting close to a blown liar.
See, listen. As you see me so now, if I start to play ball, my fans hail me because I score goals.
Listen, he's not a footballer. I can tell you that for sure. He's a baba.
If you believe this boy, you are on a long term.
Listen.
Now, listen, anybody that I do that is two things. It's a no do well or it's useless. They never do well. But see any man that keeps afro and plays football, their star is bright.
What about a man that dines banana in his head?
If you see, listen, if you date me, my future is bright as this my hand.
If you date me, I'll do your hair free for the next 5 years.
Will you die with your hair? Will you make hair until you die? No. Won't you want a man that will take care of you? Someone to hold you, someone to stand by you, someone to support you, someone to lean on you,
Daddy.
Someone to worship you.
Daddy, did you worry you?
Hello. Well, were you here when she walked in?
I walked in and I saw her.
And so? Sorry, that's how we do it.
It's okay. Sister, please don't look.
See, if you give me the chance.
Don't let this guy deceive you. Don't let this guy deceive you.
If you give me the chance to see. Guess what? I think you are an angel. You're meant to be in heaven. the earth is too rough. Because my voice is so angelic, but I don't just sing in the afternoon. I sing from 6 p.m. in the evening. But that my voice has come
I
down.
am back.
So, hey, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, Alpha, has she done her nails?
She's done.
She's done with it. So, what is the next thing?
Her hair.
Her hair. Okay, so, what kind of hair would you want? Is it texturized or just natural?
I just want to relax my
You just want to relax your hair.
Then, a real man who can relax with you can relax your hair.
What are, oh no, tell me what you've just said, how does it relate with relaxing
How
your
can
hair?
you hold a hair? It's 40 inch.
Look, it is natural. I mean, by the
The
time...
hair is taller than the hair is taller than you.
Are you people in female hair department? When do you start doing hair?
Bianca,
I don't understand.
Bianca.
It's okay. Bianca, stand up.
Stand up, stand
Go
up.
and buy
stand up.
something.
But I'm the one that is supposed to do this hair.
Go and buy something outside. Go and buy more nail and more
Bianca,
moisturizer.
stand up.
Bianca, it's like you have forgotten that in this salon, you are a common apprentice.
So
you have to learn work.
when did you even join us?
If we are talking, you should not even be talking. Apprentice, talking when we're
Bianca,
talking.
go and get
Sure.
us something.
Go and buy nail.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Please hurry.
Wow.
And don't come back quick. Go and buy that
You are
thing
done with
until you
this
see
hair.
it.
Tell me
Until
when
I'm
you
done with this
became
hair.
female hairstylist.
Just go and buy something. Sorry, it's just apprentice. She's learning work.
Hey, yeah. Teddy, please respect our guests, respect our customer,
okay.
please.
It's
So
okay.
you said you want it relaxed. So which of the relaxer would you want? Because we have
You want a
different.
man who is twice as tall as your hair and your heart.
What are you saying? How does it relate
Who would
to
you
what?
prefer?
Who would
Just
you?
let him do it.
Thank
A
you.
man that will struggle to get to your hair?
Oh,
It's okay. Do
you're a
it.
darling. You are sweet.
Okay. Do it.
Teddy.
What? Your man, the man you chose for your hair, cannot touch the relaxer where it is in a shop.
It's not about touching the rehearsal.
You need a real man who is as tall as your hair that can stand
It's not
tall
about
for
talking
you.
about. Fine.
Watch your man. You see? How can a man that want to do your hair cannot even touch the relaxer where it is to do your hair? Is he competent? He's not. I'm your man. I can love you right and take care of you and your hair.
And so, oh, darling, you're a sweetheart.
You see?
Thank you very, very much.
Even with the chair, he could not touch relaxer. He will now fall down and die. That means he died in love. You want a man who is alive to love you.
I'm good like that.
Let him come down, let him come down.
Yeah.
Will he jump like this in the marriage?
What are jumping? So I have the relaxer here. So let's just get started. Let's get started. Thank you very much.
How can he even touch your hair? How can he make your hair when your hair is taller than him? His hair is on your waist. How do you kiss him? Will you squat for him?
Are you comfortable? You are very, very comfortable. Did you attach any artificial hair to your hair?
Is this my hair? What did you use on my hair?
Your hair?
Not a paper. I used
Is that how you guys work here?
No. From what I'm seeing here now, your hair is now as short as the man doing your hair.
Is something wrong with you?
No, I'll fix it. Don't worry.
Madam, and I told you, don't let this man touch your hair. You say no. Now, see now. Your hair is now short, as brief as a hairdresser. I say use me. You say you use him. Okay. You've not fixed your hair, you won't fix her hair. Is it possible?
Hello, baby, where are you?
Her baby is coming.
Please come to this place. Okay, hurry.
Who did you call, man?
My boyfriend.
Your
Wait for
boyfriend.
him.
Madam, hope you know who touched your hair. Let baby arrest the hairdresser. I'm just a barber. I was
Hold
only
on,
here.
Just hold on, wait.
I was only here.
Let me.
Hope you know who
Wait.
touched your hair.
Don't worry, yeah? Don't worry, yeah? I'm going to drill them for you.
Sir. Sir.
Squat down.
Sir.
Immediately.
Sir, I'm just a baba. Oh.
Look, you're just a
I'm
baba,
just a
eh?
baba. Oh.
And you spoiled my
This is not me, sir.
Hey, move it, hold it, hold it.
Hey.
Move it.
Hey,
Move it.
sir, I'm just a baba.
Don't complain.
I don't work here anymore, sir.
Sir, I'm just a baba.
You don't work here.
Move
What
back,
do you mean
move
don't
back.
work here?
I don't work here
Move
anymore.
back.
Sir, I'm just a baba. Oh.
Rascal.
Hey, baba, hey,
You
baba.
spoiled my girlfriend.
Hey, baba.
Move it. Move it.
Sir, normally I'm a baba. Normally I'm a baba. Sir, I'm just a baba. Oh.
Rascal. Hooligan. Hey, go move. Sorry. Move.
Sir, sir, we should move again.
Move again. Move it.
Sir, sir. He's walking.
What?
He's walking.
Who's walking?
He's not for jumping. He's walking, sir.
I wasn't walking. This is what
Sir,
I've
see his
been
leg.
doing.
This is his height. This is his height.
It's fine.
He's not bending down.
I'm not that heavy. I'm not supposed to. Are you squatting down? I'm not supposed to. Is this squatting down?
Sir, I'm not sure, sir.
What do you mean? Is this squatting down now?
I'm not sure. Yes, sir. Sir, I should go down small.
Now go down. Go down now. All right. Want me to sit down, sir? Hey, squat down. I think it's squatting down.
Yes, sir. You should go down. You should go
Move it.
down.
Come on, you move it. Move it.
Go down.
Go down.